Good morning. My name is Kenneth Long, and I'm proud to be Interim President of East Stroudsburg University. I'm delighted to welcome you to today's virtual open house program. We are thrilled you are joining us today and hope that ESU is your #1 choice for furthering your education. Our goal today is to give you some information that will help you learn more about what ESU has to offer and what to expect as an ESU student. First, a little about me. For the past 7 years, I was Chief Financial Officer and Vice President for Administration and Finance here at ESU. As CFO, I was responsible for the university's budget, purchasing, business operations, facilities, technology, human resources, and campus safety. So I know the university very well and its many attributes. East Stroudsburg University is a beautiful campus, offering great academic programs, wonderful people, and plenty of activities. With nearly 6,000 undergraduate and graduate students, ESU is big enough to offer something for every appetite, but small enough for it to be personal. Throughout this event, you will be greeted by various members of the campus community. I encourage you to ask questions, listen to current students, learn about different programs, and really get a feel for the campus, because that's what makes ESU special. I firmly believe East Stroudsburg University is an institution that is committed to putting students and their families first. One thing that sets ESU apart from most other institutions is our commitment to you, the Warrior Promise. The Warrior Promise guarantees all incoming undergraduate and transfer students a guaranteed fixed 4-year tuition. The Warrior Promise allows students and their families to know what their tuition is for up to 4 years, enabling them to more accurately budget for college expenses. It is also our commitment to keep our college education as affordable as we possibly can for our students, enabling them to focus on their studies and worry less about changing financial expectations. ESU is also distinguished by our faculty and staff. We are privileged to have wonderful educators and scholars who actively pursue research and professional development in order to reach their heights within their chosen field. Our faculty members offer talents and backgrounds as diverse as our curriculum and our student body. We also have amazing staff who often work behind the scenes, but whom we know are also educators, working to ensure our students get what they need to continue progression toward degree completion and lifetime success. ESU offers a broad range of academic programs with high standards and expectations. So regardless of your chosen major, your degree from ESU will have a strong liberal arts core. Our goal is to prepare you not just for your first job, but for an ever-changing global society and a world where career changes are not uncommon. The solid background and experiences we provide will significantly enhance your future career choices. When you graduate from ESU, you'll be well prepared intellectually, culturally, and socially. A few semesters ago, I was having lunch with a few students that were about to graduate, and I asked them, what made you choose East Stroudsburg University? Their answers varied. One of them said, because it was close to home. His girlfriend said, because it was far enough away from home. A few of them said academic programs, several said athletics, and a couple said the guaranteed fixed tuition. While their initial reasons were a little different, there was one thing they all agreed on, a feeling of belonging. Going to ESU is not just about getting a great education. You can get that at many other colleges. Being at ESU is about belonging. The opportunities for students at ESU are plentiful. Whether you're interested in athletics, the arts, healthcare, science, education, or business, there's something for everyone. Almost half of ESU's student population participate in intercollegiate athletics, club sports, or intramurals. If for those that are not into sports, you have clubs, music groups, dance teams, theater, Greek life, and a list of great opportunities to get to know other students with common interests and all looking for students to join. Leadership opportunities, you don't have to be a junior or senior to be a club officer. Study abroad, ESU has established relationships in countries like China, Germany, Spain, Netherlands, and Costa Rica. Our strategic plan is titled Students First, Empowering Innovation Through Collaboration. Take that as our invitation to be here, to show us your best, to learn with us, and to grow with us. Although we couldn't be here on campus together, I would like to thank you for joining us today and for taking time to learn more about us. At ESU, you can discover your potential, find your place in our community, and take the first steps toward reaching your professional and personal goals. There will be opportunities today to have your questions answered and to meet many of our incredible students, faculty, and staff. Take advantage to learn everything you can about ESU. We hope you consider ESU as your next step in your education journey. I look forward to seeing you on campus, and I especially look forward to you joining the ESU community, where warriors belong. Have a great day.